Electric Vehicle Yamaha E01. PT Yamaha Indonesia Motor Manufacturing, YIMM, has officially started a market test program for electric vehicles or electric vehicles, EV, through the sale of the Yamaha E01. The program, entitled Pro of Concept, is part of the implementation of the company's long-term vision or Yamaha's 2050 long-term vision, which refers to 3 points. First, namely advancing robotics, then rethinking solution, and the third is transforming mobility, or known as art for human possibilities. Focused on the point of transforming mobility, through this market test of the E01, Yamaha wants to realize the transformation of better mobility in the future. Also get input from consumers as a basis for presenting EV vehicles, which are more suitable to answer the mobility needs of the Indonesian people in the future. Minoru Morimoto, President Director and CEO of PTYIMM, said, EV is the most appropriate solution to achieve carbon neutrality. Plus the distance may not reach 15 kilometers. Even so, the character of the road in the Pelangi Park area, Bogor, West Java, which is the location of the first ride, is quite representative of the real situation. Starting from the path downhill, uphill, bends, and occasionally bulldoze the damaged roads. Yamaha E01 is said to be still a concept or prototype. However, his form has led to a mass production motorcycle. Mandatory components such as lights, mirrors, panel meters, to number plate mats are already available. Before going further into the driving feeling, let's start with the design. Because the visuals presented by the E01 have unique elements and can be said to be in accordance with the Indonesian market, the design of the Yamaha E01 carries a concept that the manufacturer calls Juxtaposed Design. This is a philosophy from Yamaha that combines two elements between humans, and machines, machine. Through this concept, Yamaha tries to present something different and has never been found in any electric motorcycle. Nothing wrong if they take the maxi scooter as a base. After all, this type of motorbike is in demand and futuristic themes are becoming a craze, making it the best option. Broadly speaking, the design is inspired by the NMAX, perhaps because the NMAX design is considered a model that is already popular and accepted by people all over the world. He dominates the white color with a black color combination. There are also cyan or light blue sweetener accents. On the front, the E01 appears with a future design language but remains functional. Two projector-shaped headlights are placed at the bottom. As for the placement of the battery charging dock at the top, this fascia design makes the front view of the Yamaha E01 look attractive. Just look at how the Yamaha designers managed to hide the charging port very neatly. In that section it is flanked by two DRLs as well as an indicator of electric charge. On the side, the identity of a maxi motorbike is clearly visible. E01 puts forward ergonomics design. It can be seen from the layout of the footrest, wide and high handlebars, and the shape of the seat, which is also wide. Both rims are embedded in a large size, so that the tire profiles of 110/70 R13 at the front and 130/70 R13 are used as standard sizes. The body is made conical with a minimalist design of brake lights and turn signal. But a little big impression is described. Yamaha E01 is equipped with a battery that is placed right in the middle of the body. This makes the motor stable and makes it easier to control when asked to maneuver. Honestly, when I first rode it, I felt very similar to a conventional motorized motorcycle. Not too light and feels solid. It is embedded in a 4.9 kilowatt-hour battery with a fixed type that supplies electric current to a compact electric motor. that can generate power of up to 10.8 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 30.2 Newton meters of torque at 1,950 RPM. The power output is channeled to the rear wheels through a belt-type power distributor. E01 is equipped with 3 modes, namely Eco, Standard, and Power. All of these options have different power and torque outputs. Eco mode supplies power of 5.4 kilowatts or 7.2 horsepower at 4,500 RPM engine speed, and torque at 21.4 nanometers at 1,500 RPM twist. When turning the accelerator lever, E01 drove very smoothly. With Eco driving mode, I also tried to pass uphill roads. The motor can still bulldoze the incline, but the key is to maintain momentum at the start. Before completing the uphill road, for the record, the speed of the motor slowed down. Only when selecting power mode, the charging and duration. The E01 uses a fixed lithium-ion battery power source, which is equipped with a built-in battery management system with a capacity of 4.9 kilowatt-hours and a power of 87.6 V/56.3 Ah. This battery can be charged in 3 available charger options, namely fast charger, normal charger, and portable charger. In portable charger mode, it takes 14 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. In addition, in this mode, consumers can charge at home with a minimum power of 2,200 watts. While the normal charger option with a wall charger from Yamaha, it takes 5 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. In this mode, Yamaha recommends that the house has a minimum power of 3,500 watts. As for when using the fast charger option, it only takes 1 hour to charge from 0 to 90%. This fast charger option will reportedly be available at Yamaha dealers.